So today's topic is three-digit prime number, twisted prime number, whole prime number, twin prime number, co-prime number. All are based on your prime number mechanism only. So we'll start with the first program, that is your three-digit prime number. Suppose the question is asking, write a program. Wait a minute. Write a program to enter a number and check whether it is three-digit prime number or not. So that means my first job is to check whether the number entered by the user is a three-digit number or not. After that, I will check whether it is prime number or not. So that means this is my second task. So let's check a three-digit prime number, then check whether the number is, if it is three-digit prime number, then check whether the number is three-digit prime number or not. That means first job is to check three-digit prime number or not. So let's see some example. Suppose user has a number called 17. So 17 is not a three-digit number. So because of that reason, it should display a message like this. 17, the number has to be displayed, is not a three-digit prime number. If the user has entered a number called 112, now in that case, it should display 112. Number has to be displayed, is not a three-digit prime number because it is divisible by 3. Next, enter a number 101. It is three-digit, but it is not divisible by any number. So that's why it is a three-digit prime number. So let's move towards the program. So you have to recall the prime number mechanism. So let's begin with the program. If the number is equal to greater than equals to 100 and the number is less than equals to 999. Excellent. Good job, Biswa. So First of all, I need to declare a scanner class object. Scanner access is equal to new scanner. Within parentheses, I will say system.in. Inside this, I will give a message system.out.print. Message will be enter a number. Better you give a message called enter 3-digit number. But if still he is not entering, then we'll catch hold of it. Int no is equal to ss dot next int. Up to this, everyone is clear. Now after that, my job is to check where is 3-digit also. That's why I will use if number is greater than yes is equal to 99. So it is wrong because 99 is not a 3-digit number. So that's why I will remove this equals to, and number is less than is equal to 1 2 3 4 9,919. This is possible, or we can say 1,000 is also possible. In that case, we have to remove this one. So this becomes your 3-digit number. Is it clear? After that, inside this, I will check the prime number. Now recall your prime number logic. What should I take? Yes, inside the prime number logic, what should I take for the prime number? Yes, this condition I have understood, but my question is that what should I use? What should I use for the prime number? Pre-processing part of your prime number. Send me the pre-processing part of your prime number. Recall your prime number. Recall your prime number and tell me the pre-processing part of your prime number. ONO. What is this ONO? I have to set the flag first. Int f is equal to -1. Set the flag. Okay, I have helped you. Next part. Next part. I have helped you with the mechanism. Yes, flag is equal to 1. Yes, I want the loop. Got it. I want the loop now. What should be my loop? Yes, for loop. Write down the for loop. Let me check how many of you have remember the for loop for flag based. Yes, flag is already used. Ishan, flag is already used. I want the for loop. Yes, Ayushman given. I is equal to 2. I is less than no I plus plus. Excellent. Good job. For int c is equal to 2. Already I told you why c is 2, why not 1? Yes, one more question is for you. Why c is 2? Why not 1? Because some students are giving 1. Explain. Now, no c is less than no and c plus plus. Yes, few students are still giving. Still, few students are giving 1. 1 is another prime, not composite. 1 is neither prime nor composite. 2 because 1 is not a prime nor composite. Because 1 will be itself is multiple. Yes, right answer is given. 1 is multiple and number is multiple. So I am ignoring because of that reason. 1 is a multiple of any number and number itself is a multiple of any number. Because of that reason, I am excluding these two. Inside this, I will check which one has to be divisible by which one. Yes, you have to send me now. Which one has to be divisible by which one? Because 1 is not prime number, not composite. Okay. NO modulo C. Good. So here the first question mark has to be replaced by NO because number has to be divisible by C, where C will move up to NO minus 1 and it should be equals to 0. If it is divisible, then what should I do? Good. If divisible, what should I do? Acha, someone has given F plus plus. Someone has given F is equal to 0 and break. F is equal to 1, break. Someone is giving 0, someone is giving 1. Which one is the correct answer? Right answer given by Swastik. Flag value has to be changed. It may be 1, it may be 0, it may be anything. It may be 1, it may be 0, it may be anything. Flag value has to be changed. Now after that break, that means if it is divisible, I know it is a composite number. So that's why I will not move ahead. I will come out of this loop. So break statement is used to come out of this loop. Over. Now once I will come out of this loop, what should I do? After coming out of the loop, what should I do? If condition, yes, that means I will check if. What should I check? What should I check? F is equals to minus 1. Good. I will check if F is equals to minus 1, then it is prime or not prime. Then it is prime or not prime if F value is minus 1. It's prime number. So I'm showing you the question. According to the question, what should be my display statement? I'm showing you the slide. According to the question, what should be my display statement? Now you have to comfortable in all area now. Quick, what should be my display statement? How I should write that I will get the desired output as per the question. NO is a 3-digit prime number. NO is a 3-digit prime number. Good. So println or print you have given? Print. Okay, fine. Good. So we'll display system dot out dot print. I have to display the number, so I will say no. After that, space is a 3-digit prime number. Obviously, else no is not a 3-digit prime number. Fine. Now my question is for all of you. Is it over or something is missing as per the question? Again, I am showing you the question. Is it over or something is missing? Mona Lisa say yes, part is required. Varsha, Ishan, Panda says no. If it is no, then what is missing? Fine. Pritish got it. Prime number and not prime number is over. But my question is that is something is missing? If it is, then what it is according to the question? Else of first if condition. Good answer. Curly bracket is missing. Where the curly bracket is missing? आयुष्मान, मैं पहले ही क्लोजिंग कर्ली ब्रैकेट दे रहा हूं यहाँ पे. लुक एट दिस. पहले ही क्लोजिंग ब्रैकेट कर्ली ब्रैकेट दे रहा हूं मैं यहाँ पे. ओके. Else of inner if statement. No, not inner. Look at this. Inner else is over. Ayushman, inner else is over. Else part of outer is required. Already is not a 3-digit prime number is given. Inner if else is completed. Pritish, yes sir. Displaying if it is not a 3-digit number. Good. If it is not a 3-digit number, Ishan Panda, else of the first if, where we are checking the 3-digit number. Good answer. Good answer. Else part for this if is required. Because or as per the question it says that if it is not a 3-digit number, then display a message. Else display a message system.out.print. It is asking to display the number itself, so I will say no is space, then I will say is not a 3-digit number. Now the task is over. For outer else, good. Let's execute this. Now I'm giving 13 is a prime number. I have given 13. Now find the output. User has entered 13. Now what will be your output? Quick. 13 is not a 13 is not a digit number. Vishwa, I am not able to understand. 13 is not a 3-digit number. 13 is not a 3-digit number. Good. Answer will be 13 is not a 3-digit number. Okay. Let's execute it again. I am saying 131. Now the answer for 131. Answer for 131. Thirteen is a 3-digit prime number. 131 is a 3-digit prime number. Okay. Next question. Now it's Nalini. Answer will be 13 is prime number नहीं है. 13 is a 3-digit prime number. Yes, quick. Next answer 142. 142 is not a 3-digit prime number. Good. Because it is divisible. Now, in order to change this program, listen carefully what I am saying. In order to change the program, I want, listen the question what I am saying, display all 3-digit prime numbers. Now, what should I do in the program so that I will display all 3-digit prime numbers? What are the necessary changes that I should do in my program to display all 3-digit prime number? Necessary changes in the existing program from top to bottom. I am showing you the top part. From the top, already we have done like this. So the display statement must be inside the loop. Which display statement, Pritish? Sir, cannot understand. Can you give an example? All 3-digit prime numbers I want. Look at over here. 100 is not a prime digit, but 101 is a 3-digit prime number. 102 is not a 3-digit prime number. 103 is a 3-digit prime number. Like this, it will display all 3-digit prime number. Must be in the for loop now. Good. So it's already given by the Ayushman. For loop is given by the Ayushman. So we'll begin. So where the for loop will start? Is the if condition is required? You are unable to get me. I said from top to bottom. From top to bottom, tell me where the changes needs to be done. Do I need to accept a number? Basic changes. Basic changes. Do I need to accept the number from the starting? I said. From the starting, tell me. अरे नो सर ये सर मत बोलो. कहां से मुझे स्टार्ट करना है प्रोग्राम अभी? किसको हटाना है, किसको रखना है? कैन आई कीप दिस और नॉट? फ्रॉम द टॉप टेल मी. यू हैव टू राइट द प्रोग्राम. You have to write the program. So tell me from the top. Import is not required. Good, excellent. Perfect answer given over here. Now import is not required from the beginning. Good job. Good job, Swastik. Next. Import statement is not required. Yes. Next one. Accept not required. Good, Subhasmita. If accept is not required, scanner is also not required. Scanner is also not required. Missing. Subhasmita. Import and scanner is not required. Good. Accept is not required. If condition, if condition is not required. Okay, so that means from here I will start my for loop now. For, as Iceman said, that int no is equal to how much? Better instead of C you take no, so that I can reuse the code. If instead of C I will take no, I can reuse the below code without making maximum changes. No is equal to 100. Okay, no is equal to 100. Then no is less than or equals to, I think you have given less than equals to 999. Then no plus plus. After that I need the curly bracket. Okay, fine. After for loop, any change? After for loop, any change? Yes, I got the for loop. Yes, we can take 101 because 100 is not a prime number. We can take 101 also. Yes, next. Sir, we can take 101 because 100. Yes, I am agree with you. Continue. Yes, continue. After for loop, what are the necessary changes? I am scrolling up. Necessary and unnecessary parts. Few students have not given their thumb up. Those who have joined late, not given thumb up, try to give the thumb up. Sir, else part of first if is not required. Excellent. आप नीचे से जा रहे हो दीप्ति, ऊपर से आओ, ऊपर से. I said from the top. Check whether it is required or not. 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 Is there any changes required over here or not? This, like this, from top to bottom. Else part is not required. Which else part, Barsha? We had two else part. Inner, outer. Outer already I have removed. Inner I have removed. Okay. As per your requirement, I have made the changes. Is it okay? If condition will be inside the for loop. Yes. If condition is inside the for loop. Yes, Subhasmita. Curly braces is available. Check it out, Dipti. Necessary curly brackets are available. Something is missing. Println no. Extra curly braces नहीं है. Extra curly braces नहीं है. This is for main method. This is for class. This is for loop. This is for inner for loop. This is for if condition. No extra curly bracket is available. Now we are missing the common display statement. Here before the loop I have to give the common for display statement now. How you have forgotten Susmita, Subhasmita, Ayushman? How you have forgotten Swastika, Swastik? How you people have forgotten Dipti? The message will be all 3-digit prime numbers and it should be println, and inside this it should be println and only and no. We saw how you have forgotten the common. Pritish is also there, but nobody has insisted for common display message in this case. Okay, we'll execute now. You can see all 3-digit prime numbers now. Got it, everyone? Next question. Display first 10 3-digit prime numbers. Now the question is changed. Display first 10 3-digit prime number. Necessary changes. Necessary changes. Quickly from the top to bottom. int c is equal to 0. Where I have to take int c is equal to 0. Counter is required. Good job. Quick answer. Where I should take outside the outer for loop, inside the outer for loop, outside the inner for loop, inside the inner for loop. Sir, first display the statement. Excellent, Pritesh. Good job. Now this display has to be changed at the top. So 100% correct answer given by Pritesh. Good, beta. I said from top to bottom, but you have started from top, from this one. Okay. Instead of all, first 10, 3 digit. Now here I will write 3 digit prime numbers. Now, now the counter is required. Where to take the counter? Position of the statement. After display counter need date before the outer for loop. Good. So I will take int c is equal to 0. Is it okay? Check again the program. I cannot take int c is equal to 0. Subhasmita, don't go so fast. Go step by step. Int c is equal to 0. Is it right or wrong first of all? Swastik, error. It will show. Why? Yes, agree with you. It will show you an error. Why? Why the error? Aishman Mahapatra int c is equal to 0. No, we cannot take that for loop over here because I don't know after how many iteration 10 prime numbers will get. Ayushman, we cannot take this for loop. C is taken inside the inner loop. Then how you have forgotten? Everyone said yes, yes, yes. I will take CO is equal to 0. Now it is okay. This for loop is required. Okay, next question. Do I need any changes in the outer for loop? Next, I'm highlighting. Do I need this one? Quick, quick, quick. Do I need to make any changes in the inner for loop? Yes, for what? Inner for loop needs to be changed. So, what should be the change? I am not sure. What should be the change in the inner for loop? No change in outer for loop and inner for loop. Like this, you have to give answer directly. As Swastik is providing. Directly, no change in the inner and outer for loop. Okay. Swastik, counter is less than equals to NO. C is less than equals to NO. Why less than equals to NO? No change in outer and inner. Okay. Inner if condition. Inner if condition, do I need to change? Inner if condition, do I need to change? Okay. C++ is inside the second for loop. No, it's not the right place to put C++ in the inner for loop. Where to place this C++? And it is not C++, it should be CO++. Yes. Where should be the location of CO++? Outside the inner for loop. No. Outside inner for loop. No. C++ inside the first loop. No, wrong. After if f is equal to -1. That is the right answer. If it is prime number, this is for prime number. If it is prime number, then increase the counter. That's why it is the right place to put the counter. Because if it is prime, then I will increase the counter and I will display it. Understood, everyone? Okay. Is it over? As per the question, as per the question. Sir, last display statement. Sir, condition for counter is not there. Good. Condition for the counter is missing. First 10 condition is missing. Good. First 10 condition is missing because my outer loop is for all 3-digit prime number. But I need to display only 10. So that's why there must be a condition. Where should be the condition? Where should be the condition? And what should be the condition? Inside the if condition, I have two if condition. One is for flag, one is for divisibility. Inside the second if condition, okay. Inside the second if condition, what should be the if condition? Okay, got it? If inside the if condition, what should be the condition? Ayushman, inside the first if condition, it is wrong, Ayushman. We cannot put inside the first if condition. Dipti says that if f is equal to -1 and c is less than equals to 10. Okay. So everybody just give a confirmation, whatever condition given by the Dipti. Is it right or wrong? No. अच्छा, ठीक है. Then according to you, Barsa, what is the condition? If C is less than equals to 10. So C says that we'll write over here if C is less than is equal to 10. Then is it okay? Ishan says that C less than 10 is required. And Subhasmita says that less than equals to 10 is required. Now there is a controversy. Now there is a controversy. Less than is equal to or less than. Subhasmita answer is less than equal to. Ishan answer is less than. Now he has changed. Now Biswa again said. Biswa is saying again less than 10. Ansuman, Mona Lisa less than is equal to. Excellent. Biswa has perfectly explained this because we have started from 0. Because of that reason, it should be less than 10 because 0 is already counted for 1. So it cannot be. If it is 1, I will take less than is equal to. Okay. Pritish, yes, sir. F is equal to -1 and CO is less than equals to 10. It will also work. Good. Pritish. I think this is given by Dipti. C is less than 10 because it is starting from 0. Not C, CO. Subhasmita. CO. Okay. Now, do I need curly bracket or I don't need curly bracket over here? Do I need curly bracket or curly bracket is not required? In the condition, Ayushman say required, Swastik say not required. You have written C in if condition changed already. It is required. Okay, let's check. Now, if I'm not going to put the curly bracket, if it is less than 10, then only it will increase. But this condition will be for prime number. This condition will not be applied for less than 10. So let me show you first this one without putting this, then after putting this. Look at this. Got it? Now I'm applying with the curly bracket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A small curly bracket will make your program wrong. Be careful. Got it? Now we'll apply the second one said by Dipti and Pritish. Now here what he is doing, he is saying both the condition. If this and this, if both the condition is true, then increase. Otherwise, don't increase. Now tell me how many of you agree with this? How many of you is agree with this? It will work, sir. Okay, Swastik has given the confirmation. Yes, sir. Viso is also agree. Agree, sir. Yes, sir. I agree. Agreed. Dipti, Subhasmita. What about others? Not sure. Now that was nested if. Just I'm removing and telling you. That was nested if. Now it says that if this is true, after that this is checking this is. That means it is equivalent to your end. If it is true and this one is also true. Now still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Why I'm getting one more? If will put or it will not work. If we will put or it will not work. So we are not going to put or. We are bound to give and. We are bound to give and. Now why one more extra is coming this time? Who can say? Let's check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Why I'm 1, 2, 3. I think there I did I given less than equals to 10 are there. Good. Now if I will give the condition over here, yes, what is your opinion if I'll give the condition over in the for loop? Will work. Okay, fine. Yes, sir, it will work. Good. Now, who is this Geeta Sahu? First time given the answer. Okay. So I am making a small change over here. Just have a look at it. I am saying NO is equal to 100. Instead of for loop, I am saying while. Now check the code and tell me, will it work? I made few changes. Instead of for loop, I made it while loop. Infinitely. Okay. Why infinite, Swastik? It will not work. Dipti says it will not work. Okay, quickly. No, sir. Infinite. Okay, good. Condition for not required. Condition for number is not required. No, sir, it will not. Okay. Now tell me the reason why it is not going to work. Is it because of while or why? Because no stop condition is not present. Stopping condition is available while counter is less than 10. It will iterate while counter is less than 10 and counter is increased over here. Subhasmita. No, Biswa, instead of for loop, I want to use while loop. It will work for C less than 10. Sorry, sir, it will work. This I am unable to understand your answer. It will work for C less than 10. But I have taken the counter CO and C is for the factor. CO is as a counter. Ishan says it will work. The code is correct, sir. Okay, yes, it will work. Dipti, condition for number is required in the while. It only checks less than 10. But no, it will increase the value continuously. No, it will work better because stopping condition is available. Stopping condition is available. Got it? स्वस्तिक just look it out. First 10 अगर वो बोल रहा है first 100 तब जाके 4 digit आ सकता है वो. Is it clear, स्वस्तिक? Now it is talking about 10. Now you are all agree with me that a program can be written in 100 ways. Now you are all agree that a program can be written in 100 ways. Depending on the requirement, we can change it. I don't need to put 3-digit condition over here because initial value I made it 100 for 3-digit. But if it is talking about 100, then 3-digit condition has to be put over here with AND. Now, Geeta Sahu, may I know your original name? Who is this Geeta Sahu? Next part. Write a program to check whether a number. एक minute, let me change the pointer. Write a program to check whether a number is twisted prime or not. So we know what is called twisting, which is also known as your MR number. So let's see what is this. If both the original and the reverse number is prime number, then it is called twisted prime number. Original number भी prime होना चाहिए and reverse number भी prime होना चाहिए. Now it itself says that use and. Now suppose user entered a number 43. Now 43 is not a twisted prime number. Why? Let's check. Here it says that we have taken 43 is a prime number. But when I'm converting it to reverse, reverse is 34, where reverse is not a prime number. Hence, we can call it, it is not a twisted prime number. The next example, user has entered 71 now. Now here it says that 71 is a twisted prime number. How? Let's see. 71 we know is a prime number. When I'm twisting it, it becomes reverse is your 17. Now 17 is also prime number. So reverse 17 is also a prime number. Hence it is a twisted prime number. Acha, Gitanjali. Everyone got the description? So that we'll start now. Okay. So let's start. Let's move up. Import is required or not. Necessary changes in the existing program. Sir, first we will check prime number, then reverse mechanism will be applied. and again the reverse number is prime number or not, should be checked. Yes, good. From the top to bottom again we'll check. Import is required now. Import is required. Good. Import is required. Scanner is required. Yes, fine, got it. Import is required. Next job, scanner is required. Good. Quick. Scanner is required. Now 3-digit condition is not required now. Common message is not required now. Counter nahi chahiye. From here tell me now. After I know. After I know pre-processing variables. After I know pre-processing variables. int var I is equal to no. Excellent. Good answer is given by Swastik. Because this display statement will be changed, sir. Completely display statement is not required over here, first of all. Now here, first of all, pre-processing is your int or is equal to no is required because I am doing the reverse operation. Good. Now after that, I need rev is equal to 0, reverse is equal to 0, pre-processing part. Good. Any other? Display in the accept part. Yes, display in the accept part is required. Good, good. Enter a number. Okay, I missed that one. Good, good. Enter a number it will be. Good, Susmita. Subhasmita. Next, after scanner. Got it. Got it. Even I missed that one. Next one. Any pre-processing variable is required, or I will put semicolon over here. Any pre-processing variable. While no is greater than 0. क्या करना है उसको स्वस्तिक? While no is greater than 0. So we don't need this one. Is it required? Flag is equal to -1. Flag is equal to -1 is required. Flag is not required. Yes, sir. Good. I need a flag. For prime number, flag is mandatory. But how many flag is required this time? Sir, 2 flags is required. Good. One is for original number flag is equal to -1. Reverse flag is equal to -1. Yes. Made the changes. Yes, made the changes. Next. Move on next. 2 counter is required. 2 flag is required. One for original, one for this one. Now, this is the prime number logic. Now, it says that if the original is prime, so first check the original one. First check the original one. So, original one is the no. So, that's why I will say original flag is equal to 0. Okay. Now, after checking the original flag, what should I do? Reverse the number. Okay, fine. How to reverse the number? I have forgotten. बताओ हाउ टू रिवर्स द नंबर. रिवर्स लॉजिक मुझे थोड़े ना याद है सुभस्मिता. We need the while loop. Good, Pritish. While, what is the condition? यस while, अरे while लूप का कंडीशन बोलो दीप्ति, कहाँ चले गए आप? डी आई इज इक्वल टू एन ओ मॉडुलो 10. While loop condition no is less than 0. Are you all agree with the answer given by Pritish? No less than 0. Now there is a controversy. Pritish says less than 0. Acha, sorry. Fine. No is greater than 0. Fine. While no is greater than 0, then inside this what should I do? Swastik, while no is greater than 0, reverse is equal to reverse into no modulo 10. Reverse is equal to reverse plus no modulo 10. Swastik, wrong answer. Swastik, wrong answer. Yes, quickly. Int d is equal to no modulo 10. Good. Int d is equal to no modulo 10. Fine. After that, Pritish, yes, got it. Got the reminder. After that, yes, Badal, Dipti. Now, reverse logic is reverse is equal to reverse into 10 plus no modulo 10. Why no modulo 10, Ishan? Already we have taken D. तो उससे पहले आपको D लेना नहीं चाहिए था. REV is equal to REV into 10 plus D. अगर आपको यहाँ पे no modulo 10 लिखना है तो ये लाइन को नहीं चाहिए था आपका. Okay. After reversing, hold on a moment, we got a nice answer over here from Ayushman Mahapatra. Reverse multiplication is equal to 10. We'll discuss this part after executing this one. REV multiplication is equal to NO. क्या दिया था आपने? REV multiplication is equal to 10 plus R. 10 plus R into 10 plus R के लिए. अच्छा, reverse 10 plus R. Okay, just check this one. Later on we are going to discuss what is given by the Ayushman. Okay, NO by 10. We need NO divide is equal to 10. Shorthand operator is used. Okay. So I am just putting a remark over here. Is it clear? Just to check this one. Reverse is working or not. I am displaying the reverse one over here. अभी 9th के बच्चे होते तो आपको अभी ये बोल देते कि आपका शॉर्ट हैंड ऑपरेटर काम करेगा कि नहीं करेगा. Now I am giving 125. Reverse number is 0. Now why I am getting reverse number is 0? Who can say? Okay, just a minute. Who can say why displaying the small logical error display? Why display 0? No is there. Yes, because when I am coming out of the loop, so many times I told you, when I will coming out of the loop, no becomes your 0. So instead of that, what should I display? Yes, got it. OR. Good. ORI तो नहीं है. We have taken OR. So we'll display OR. So my intention of displaying this is to tell you that which one I have to use. Reverse number is ORI or REV. हाँ, यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है आप लोगों को. OR or REV. Yes, few student has given right answer called Biswa, given right answer. Pritish initially given OR. Subhasmita given OR. Now you are giving REB. Huh? Now the intention of displaying this one over here to all of you, because I should know that which one I should check next for the prime number. अब जो next prime number मुझे check करना है यहाँ पे, किसको check करना है मुझे? OR, REB, NO. इसलिए मैंने आपको ये यहाँ पे एक डिस्प्ले स्टेटमेंट मार के दिखाया था. Everyone understood why I have displayed you the reverse one? That you should know which variable is containing the reverse. Then only you will check that particular variable as prime or not. So now here I will check reverse is prime number or not. So what are the changes that I need to do? Yes, I need to check REV now. Yes. So what is the change that I need to do over here? Selected area for loop में कहाँ change करना है? वो चेक करेगा रिवर्स इज प्राइम और नॉट. C is less than REV. Good job. That's why understand the variable that you have taken. Understand the variable that you have taken. Any other area? Yes, got it. C is less than reverse. Yes, in condition part we did. REV modulo C. Good. Next job is REV modulo C. Yes. Any other change? Got it. Good job. Good job. Like this, if you have question in your examination, you will do like this. Is it clear? It should be or y or either one prime हो जाएगा वो बेटा. प्रीतिश either one prime और लगा हुआ है. Reverse flag not taken sir. Good. So here this one is for original flag and this one I have taken for the reverse flag. So that's why this also needs to be changed. So be careful. 3 changes is required. One is I will change this one to reverse because now the number is the reverse number. This I need to change because the factors of the reverse has to be checked and the factor of the, yes, the flag of the reverse is going to be changed. Now here I will apply the old one now. Now I am removing this one. Now here I am just changing this one. Yes. What should be my if condition now? What should be the if condition now? Quick. For your reference, I am showing you the flags. If OF is equal to equals to -1 and RF is equal to equals to -1, Ishan, Pritish, Dipti, original flag and reverse flag. Okay. What about Subhasmita? Swastik given. Good. Vishwa not given yet. Badal, Barsha not given yet. Ishan given. Yes, Subhasmita got it. Okay, got it, got it. OR बदले RF होगा. Typing mistake. Badal, OF and RF. Good. Now here AND has to be used. If original flag is equals to -1 and reverse flag is equals to -1, then I will display twisted prime. What should be the output according to the question? I'm showing you the question. According to the question, now can we display like this? 71 is a prime number, reverse 17 is a prime number, so it is twisted prime. Can we display like this? First of all, we'll display the normal way. Thereafter, we'll see how we can display this. So here I will say NO is twisted prime number. Okay, this one only. Later on I will show you. I'm saying 71. So 0 is a twisted prime number. Why 0? Yes, good. Already given. Acha, already given. Good. That is OR, because this mechanism is doing all the damage. अगर आपके प्रोग्राम में रिवर्स या फिर डिजिट लॉजिक लग रहा है तो बी केयरफुल अबाउट इट. It will create all the problem for you. Fine. 71. 71 is a twisted prime number. Now I am saying 14 is not displaying anything. What should I do? It should display not a twisted prime number. It should display not a twisted prime number. Ishan Panda, it should be OR. After the loop, it will be 0. Yes, got. Now my next question is that when I'm giving 14, I'm not getting any output. I should get the output. Else part with this, good. So else is not twisted prime number. So when I'm saying 41, I'm getting 41 is not a twisted prime number. So now the real job starts. I want to display like this. It should display 71 is prime number, reverse 17 is prime number, so it is a twisted prime number. It should display the output like this. It should display the output like this also. 43 is a prime number, reverse 34 is not a prime number, so it is not a twisted prime number. This is a homework for all of you. Can you do this? So many permutation combination is required. If you are unable to do, in the next live class, I will play with the display. This time we are concentrating on the prime number. So that's why I'm ignoring. This is completely or based on if condition. जितना अच्छा if condition लिखोगे उतना अच्छा ये काम करेगा भी. These are all possibilities. Because of that reason only we have taken, I'm giving you a hint. I'm giving you a hint. Because of that reason only we have taken 2 flags. So with the help of these 2 flags, you can do the operation. Sir, yes sir, I can do. Good. Good job. Swastik, yes, good. Ayushman Mahapatra, done sir. God. Okay. Okay. So, 1 minute. I'm just giving you the question. Write a program to define a method. Write a program to define a method. Check twisted to return true if it is twisted prime number, otherwise will return false. Yes, this is the question now. Quickly tell me how I can do this. Okay, sir, tell me. Now itself will complete or you will do the homework quickly. Is it going to be your homework or now we will do? Sir, define a method before main. Okay, let's quickly start. Yes, what should be the method? Quickly. Method signature. Method signature. Good. Boolean. Pritish B capital. Pritish B capital हो गया. Boolean. Check. चेक क्या है आपका मेथड ने मैं भूल गया. चेक ट्विस्टेड. चेक ट्विस्टेड. Regarding parameter, int no. Good. It is optional now. In question, it is saying it is not talking about this one. So look at this. I am making it for your convenience without parameter. I am just taking a copy and paste of all these things. Take everything inside. And here, return true. Is it okay? The way I did, is it okay? So decide the program in such a way that it should be quick enough. अभी आप पैरामीटर लोगे तो बहुत सारा चेंज करना पड़ेगा. प्रोग्राम का ऐसे चेंज करो जैसे कि 0.5% रिक्वायरमेंट हो आपका चेंज. ओके, नाउ मेन पार्ट. टेल मी द मेन पार्ट नाउ. Scanner class needed in the main part, not required. Subhasmita, without parameter I did it. Sir, class name please. Okay, fine. Object declaration. Acha, created. Good. So in the main method, we'll create the object. So we'll say pyari programming pp is equal to new pyari programming. Okay. After that, yes, got it. After that, object creation, not declaration. Barsha, this is object creation. Call the method. How to call the method? pp dot check twisted. No, something is missing in your call. Ayushman Mahapatra, Subhasmita, something is missing in your call. So it is also missing. Yes, perfect answer given by Pritish. Though the function is returning Boolean value, it has to be stored. Now it is okay now. Now it is okay. So we'll say Boolean res is equal to pp dot check twisted. And the best part is that I am not taking any parameter. So it is empty because it is not taking any parameter. Now after that, after this, after this, display. How to display? Subhasmita, how to display? Do I need to display true or false? Yes. The display part will be like this. Ishan Panda, why res is equals to -1? Res is equals to true. So we'll say if res is equals to true, then I will display the message. I will display system dot out dot print. Which one? I don't have the number with me because the number is available inside the method. So I cannot display the number now. So that's why I will display is a twisted prime number. Else I will display is not a twisted prime number. So I'm saying 41 is not a twisted prime number. It is only displaying is not a twisted prime number. Why? Because the number is local. The number is accepted inside this, which is local, is not going to available over here. Okay. Now, again I'm executing. I'm saying 31 is a twisted prime number because 13 and 31. It is working. But with this code only, I want to display the number. Same code. With the same code, I want to display the number. But the number is available inside the method, which is local. I cannot access it. Then what should I do? Then what should I do? OR can be declared outside the method. Okay. Subhasmita, outside OR can be declared. Fine. Now, without declaring any variable, we have to return the number. No, return type is what? Return type is Boolean. OR is equal to NO. Should be outside. No, I don't want to declare any variable without declaring variable. Ishan, NO will be returned. If I am going to return NO, then how I will return the Boolean? Return type is Boolean. Got it? Understood the changes that I did? Yes, this is going to work. Because if the method is returning So directly we can use this. Yes, Biswa. Because it is returning a value. Now understood, even if the variable is not available, we can use it. Without returning also, we can use it. Take minute, I am preparing a small question for you because you are near about the examination. You are nearby your examination. So define a okay. I have prepared the question. I am sending it to you. Make it as quick as possible to understand. Make it as quick as possible to understand. Quick, tell me what are the necessary changes again I do in my program so that I can do this. Now I have defined a class for you. Let's start. Class name should be twisted. Good. So import java.util.star public class twisted. Yes, created. Yes, created. After that, constructor instance variable is not required. इंस्टेंस वेरिएबल कहां पे कंस्ट्रक्टर जा रहे हो तुम लोग वेयर इज योर इंस्टेंस वेरिएबल declare an instance variable yes good int no good after that एक मिनट मैंने isted int no yes after that अरे इंस्टेंस वेरिएबल में कहा or is equal to no होता है ना आई नीड कॉमा rev यस बाद में जाएंगे अरे पहले इंस्टेंस वेरिएबल डिसाइड करो इंस्टेंस वेरिएबल ट्विस्टेड प्राइम के लिए INT, ओके REV को हम लोग लोकल ले लेंगे, ठीक है। Now I'll do the constructor twisted. Instead this I will say int at the int n. Now inside the constructor rf dot of, अरे ये सारा लोकल ले लेंगे स्वस्तिक, flag everything will take local, Subhasmita everything will take local because it is only applicable. ये अलग अलग मेथड डिस्प्ले के लिए अलग मेथड बोलता तो इंस्टेंस वेरिएबल लेते, ठीक है। no is equal to n, good, no is equal to n, fine. After that we have to apply this twisted program logic, पूरा उतारो इसको, काम खत्म हो जाएगा आपका। ट्विस्टेड प्राइम का लॉजिक यहाँ पे लिख दो आप, ठीक है। इस पे इसको वॉइड करो, वॉइड काम खत्म। स्कैनर क्लास इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड, स्कैनर क्लास विल बी रिक्वायर्ड इन द मेन मेथड। Public static void main string square bracket s. Inside this I need, because I need to pass it to the constructor while creating an object, so accept has to be done inside the main. Now here I don't need this one because number is available. I made everything local, I made everything local. Now instead of this I will display, because return type is void. I will say no is a, not no, I think or is a twisted prime number, else में भी आपका जाएगा or is not a twisted prime number. Fine. Now this part is over, this part is over class का. Now main method, yes main method start भी कर लिया आप लोगों ने, very good. Twisted pp is equal to new twisted, good. So class object twisted pt is equal to new twisted. As per the BISO, is it right or wrong? Ayushman also says that twisted TW is equal to new twisted. REV is not declared. Sir, REV is not declared. Let me check where REV is not declared. Subhasmita highlighted. Subhasmita highlighted. Okay. Tell me the main part. Is it okay? Twisted T is equal to new twisted. Only 2 candidates has given this answer. Only 2 candidates has given this answer. Is it correct? Now बाद में जाएंगे आयुष्मान महापात्र, पहले ऑब्जेक्ट डिक्लेरेशन. Is it correct? Parameter will be there, Subhasmita. Ishan, it is wrong. Ishan, it is wrong. No, Swastik. It is wrong. Now look at above. We have parameterized constructor. Yes, आप बोल रहे हो parameter is required. हाँ? Biswa, you have only given the answer. Twisted pp is equal to new twisted. Empty parenthesis. ऐसा ही करोगे एग्जाम में? हाँ? So what should I pass inside it? Pritesh, what should I pass? Yes, Pritish, NO. Good. I need to pass NO. Now tell, after creating an object, what should I do? Not an NO. It is not an NO. Ruturas, after a long time, you have given the answer. Okay, after this, after creating an object, now object part is okay. What is the next part? Quick, quick, quick. I need to call the method. T dot, which method I will call? Check twisted. Yes, T dot check twisted. Over. What next? What next? It will not be stored. Return TU. T dot check twisted. What is the need of storing? Now I'm not returning. I'm displaying. Yes. What next? After calling the method, what should be the next step? The next step is execute it. 13 is a twisted prime number because 13 is prime, 31 is also prime. 77 is not a twisted prime because it is 11 divisible by 11. 84 is not a twisted prime, but 17 is a twisted prime because 71 is also twisted prime. अब बोल रहे over. Now a small change I made in this program. A small change is made in this program. I am saying define one more function. Define a method show which will display in the same class. I am saying in the same class. Define a method show which will display whether the number is twisted prime or not. That means instead of check twisted, the display has to be done in show method. Then what should I do? What show is required? Okay. What show? Yes. What should I write inside the word show? What should I write inside the word show? New method needed. Okay. What should be the body part? So now this part I will take over here. Okay. Yes, good, Pritish. That if else part will be taken to the show part, but it will generate an error. But it will generate an error. Now tell me why it will generate an error. Now you have to tell me why it will generate an error. Method will be called. अच्छा ठीक है, चलो method will be called. Call भी कर दिया हमने. T dot show. Still it will generate error. Still it will generate error. Yes, because of the local variable. Good observation. Now your OF and RF, OR, these three variables that I'm using over here, these three all are local variables. Look at this. These are all local variables. So because of that reason, now I am bound to do this one. OR, OF, RF. These three has to be taken outside. And here I will say, REV is equal to 0 inside this. Or else directly take this one also, REV. But here I will say REV is equal to 0, OF is equal to RF is equal to -1. And it is not required over here. And OR is already taken over here. So this is also not required over here. Here I will say OR is equal to NO is equal to N. Now there is no error. We'll execute this one. 13 is a twisted prime number. 17 is a twisted prime number. 14 is not a twisted prime number. Understood how to change? Yes, Ruturaj. Yes, Ruturaj. Carry on with your question. If the number is negative. So that's why I think Ruturaj, you might have not attended the first prime number class. That's why I'm asking for this one. Ruturaj, I will say that I think you might be absent in the first prime number fundamental class. That's why you're asking such silly question. It is already discussed in the first prime number class. It's the part of prime number question that you are asking. We have already covered this one. Now here we are discussing about different types of prime number. So that's why I'm saying that when a series is going on, you have to be present in all the series. Okay, so with this, that's all for today's class. Good night. I'm tired. I think we have missed co-prime only. One program that is called co-prime. So I just want to make a pull for all of you that in the next live class, whether you are looking for this number system program or you want what you want in the next live. Which series you want? The first option is number system and the second option is string program. Ayusman number system. How to play with the display. Okay, how to play with the display. Fine. But Suvasmita, I just want to make this one display part pending because we are near about the examination now. After this examination is over, we'll do a series of display, how we can play with the display statement as per the requirement. These are all basically emphasizing on your if condition, beta. Suvasmita. String programs are, but maximum voting I got for string program. Number system is 33. String program is 67. Okay, let me see. Based on your voting will continue. Let me send this in the community. I will send it in the community. There you give the voting before the next live class. Understood? So based on your priority, we'll do the program. Now in the meantime, good night. यहाँ पे आपका 60-40 हुआ है अभी.